another new arrival, which is another Model T, which I don't talk about very often, but we keep getting these spectacular Model Ts.
It's true. Black
over black, beautifully restored, tons of brass, 177 cubic inch 4-cylinder, 2-speed planetary transmission. Awesome. And it's got the Ford toolkit included as well.
Such a cool car.
Yeah, it's amazingly done, and we're seeing more and more of these Model Ts that are so expertly restored. It's hard to believe. You didn't see them for a long period of time, and now they seem to be making a renaissance here. So
this one's like Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, only better.
Yeah, exactly.